Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best RFID wallet that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Buffway Slim Minimalist RFID Blocking Wallet. The Buffway Slim Minimalist RFID Blocking Leather Wallet for men and women is compact enough for your front pocket and it looks great. It is able to block all signals within the 13 to 14 MHz range, but note that it's not designed for low-frequency signals at 124 kHz as used for hotel room keys and access cards. It's sleek enough to perfectly slip in and out of your pocket and is slim, portable, and lightweight. It has a quick access ID window and thumb slot for your cards as well. All these features make it one of the top RFID wallets we've seen. This unisex design gives it universal appeal. And yes, it sports radio frequency jamming technology to shield all your important cards from identity theft and electronic pickpocketing. But what really makes these RFID blocking wallets stand out is how unobtrusive they are. These wallets hold up to 6 credit cards along with an ID and a spot for a few bills but still fit comfortably in your front pocket. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ridge RFID Wallet Authentic. The Ridge wallet is one of the most durable solutions to potential RFID theft. Durable military-grade materials and a lifetime guarantee mean this wallet may be the last one you ever need. Built on the philosophy that they should be able to function as long as you do, the Ridge Minimalist Metal RFID Blocking Wallet will stand the test of time. The metal body of this wallet completely encapsulates all your cards and electronic documents from the potential radio frequencies, no matter how powerful the RFID chip reader of the intruder is. The encasement consists of 6061T6 aluminum anodized gunmetal plating with elastic interchangeable screws. All are made to enhance your security with assured durability and trust. It comes with an integrated metal money clip that can hold bills or even more cards if you're a plastic aficionado. But with a holding capacity of up to 12 cards, you should be good to go. What's more, it features an external notch for the easy access. At number 3, we have the Bryker Hyde 2 ID Window RFID Wallet. With this Bryker Hyde RFID blocking wallet, you can confidently walk into any shop or public area to transact business electronically without any bother of identity theft. This bifold wallet was constructed using the latest technology in RFID, offering your personal information the privacy and safety deserved. With this technology, all high and low radio frequencies at 125 kHz, 10 MHz to 3000 MHz signals are blocked. Since credit cards use 13.56 MHz, they fall within the range of the frequencies blocked by this device. You can rest easy knowing that you're protected from digital pirates. This pocket wallet is made from pebble leather and has undergone comprehensive stitching to make sure it won't break down over time. The superior quality leather is soft, tough, made to last, and offers 9 slots for cards. There are even 2 more slots behind just in case. At number 2, we have the Flipside RFID Blocking Wallet. RFID blocking technology adapts to the newest forms of identity and information thievery, and Flipside took it one step further. Most RFID blocking wallets look like regular wallets, but this one is a fully enclosed aluminum alloy case for your cards and cash. This pocket safe holds 8 cards, 10 cash bills, and is one of the best RFID-proof wallet models on the market today. The unique design offers crush-proof technology, meaning your cards won't get chipped, split, or cracked in the extremely tough and durable RFID-proof chassis. And finally at number 1, we have the Timberland Pro Men's Cordura Nylon RFID Trifold Wallet. Timberland combines several years of continuous improvement and success with technology and an adherence to core values to come up with this truly pioneering wallet for your convenience in modern-day business transactions. Timberland Pro Men's Cordura Nylon RFID Trifold Wallet has RFID blocking lining to ensure that all your vital information on your credit cards, passport, and other forms of ID are securely protected from theft and electronic pickpocketing. It is designed for all ages and is perfect for use as a trifold wallet for men and women. Its classic design is highly attractive and it comes packed with more than enough technology to protect your personal identity and still stay trendy. This trifold wallet is made of Cordura, therefore super strong, classy, and very durable. It consists of 13 credit card pockets, 1 cash bill pocket, and 1 clear ID window and features a hook and loop closure system. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.